Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Here we bring you the most beautiful and trendy crochet ideas, and today's video is full of cuteness creativity. Today we are going to talking about something very special and super popular, labubu crochet designs. These tiny adorable characters are stealing hearts. Whether you are a crochet beginner or an expert, labubu buttons are something to try. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of labubu crochet designs together. What is labubu? Labubu is cute cartoon style character known for its big round eyes, pointy ears, and a funny little smile with teeth showing. It's beautiful. It's look playful and a little mischievous, and that's what makes it too popular in the crochet world. You can dress Labubu in anything you like. Some popular outfits ideas includes Bunny Labubu with floppy ears and passer body, Winter Labubu wearing a beanie and scarf, Superhero Labubu with small cape, School Labubu in a little backpack and glasses. These outfits are either crochet directly as part of the body or made separately and dressed like real clothes. So cute, festive Labubu designs. Festive designs are also trending for Christmas. People are making Labubu wearing red hats, holding candy canes are tiny gifts. For Halloween, some dresses it like a pumpkin or ghost. Valentine's Day, Labubu can hold a heart with love stitched on it. These are the perfect for decoration gifts or the seasonal craft pairs, couple and family sets. These are double ideas with the Labubu couple set. On one Labubu with a bow or dress and the other in partner or with the hat. Pants are with the hat, both looking cute together. Perfect for gifts sets, couple keychains or wedding decoration. And if you love detail, go bigger and make a labubu family set with the baby labubu added in. Using crochet, the best part, these designs are creative, fun and beginner friendly too. You have it a full guide on labubu crochet designs from dolls and kitchen stored foods and festive ideas. These patterns are not only adorable but also bring out the creative artist in you. I hope you get some lovely ideas to try out in your next crochet project. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comfort your favorite labubu style and subscribe for more cute and creative crochet content. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting. See you in the next video.